In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the printhead cleaning of your Epson XP4200 printer. You can do it if your printer is not printing some of the inks like black or maybe the color ink. If the ink is not producing properly, you can do that. This is the automatic printhead cleaning method, so you can do it through the printer display panel. On the display panel, scroll ahead and look for the maintenance and then click on the printhead cleaning. Load A4 size paper in the paper tray and then click on the start. So if we check on the printed screen, we can see for some reason the black ink is clogged too much and it's not coming out. Go to the printer control panel, select the option X. There is one more option, that is you can wait up to 12 hours without printing and then check the printer nozzle check sheet. So it will display if your printer is working, if the black ink is showing up or any other ink that is not showing up is printing or not. So click dismiss